Want to cut down on space with your 3D and 4K movies? Then this could be the video for you. Don't forget, if you use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those home cinema products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi movie fans, welcome back to the channel. So remember years ago, you used to get 3D movies and 4K movies together, and then the companies stopped doing it, and then you had to buy them separately. Well, the annoying thing about that is it takes up a lot of space. I thought there's got to be an easy solution, and I want to put them with my 4K movies. Obviously, there's not enough room because you've only got enough room for 2 discs. So let's jump in and see how I've solved it. Right, so I've got the 4K version of The Lion King, and then I've got my Blu-ray version with the 3D movie included. Now obviously there you've just got room for the 4K version and the standard Blu-ray. Take the standard Blu-ray out, then you're stumped if you want to play the Blu-ray and vice versa. So I thought the best way to do it was to get all 3 in one box. Same with my Star Trek Beyond. I've got Tarzan and there's a couple more that I bought in 3D. So what I've done is I've gone and bought some 4K cases. So that's this pack here. There will be a link down below to these, and these hold 3 4K as well. So I got a pack of 10, but I am buying more 3D movies, and I'll probably upgrade my avatar to 4K as well in the near future. So I thought, let's have a look at the quality of these. So like your standard 4K movie cases, they're not the cheap ones here with the holes in, which is great. So you got 1, 2, 3 spaces. So that'll be great for doing my Star Trek and my Lion King. So we'll start with the Lion King first. So I'll put the 4K at the back. We've got the Blu-ray, which is there. And that just slots in there. And then we'll put the 3D at the front. And then all I'll do is I'll just sell the standard version in this 3D case because I've got a plan, so I know the 3D's in there. And then as for the artwork, we'll just transfer our 4K artwork over. Right, so what I thought about doing, and I will probably do this eventually, is I'm going to just get some little rub-on lettering and just change that to /3D, just so I know the 3D movie's in there, and then I'll probably get a little 3D symbol that I can stick on the side as well here. But I thought that's the best bet. Now, as we open it up, we've got the 3D version, we've got our Blu-ray version, and our 4K version. And I thought that was a pretty sweet way to fix that. Now I'm saving on space because I don't need that foot of the Blu-ray, so I can sell that Blu-ray on because I've got the 4K, the Blu-ray, and the 3D all in one case. Same with my Star Trek one. So my Star Trek Beyond, I'll just take that out, grab another 3 set case. So the 4K can go in the back, 2D version, Blu-ray can go in there. And then if I flip it over, my 3D version can go in the front. And then I'll just transfer my artwork over from my Star Trek 4K. Same as suggested with the other one, I'll just get some rub-on lettering and just put 3D in there with some rub-on lettering and get a 3D logo to go on the spine. We've got the Legend of Tarzan, so I've got the 4K and the 3D, 2 discs, and then the 3D version of Tarzan here, and the DVD. Well, I'm not going to need the DVD, but the 3D and Blu-rays on here as well, so we'll end up with another case. Put the 4K at the back. We'll put the Blu-ray out of the 4K in here. So again, as you can see, we've got a crappy case for that 4K. We've upgraded the case and we've made room to put our 3D version of Tarzan. So we've got a 3D, Blu-ray and 4K. And then we just transfer the artwork from that crappy case. Now we've got 3 movies with the 4K, 3D and the Blu-ray versions included. And in that case there, will go in the bin. They're just pointless. You damage the artwork with them anyway. These are just a waste of time. And then on bonus to having these spare cases is my Bugs Life that came smashed. I can just take that out and I've got a brand new case that's not cheap to stick that 4K version of a Bugs Life in. and that's cured that problem. Now don't forget, if you use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those home cinema products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that video and found that that solution was pretty simple to solve. There will be a link down below in the description to these triple 4K cases, but that cures that problem with space, having two spaces for 3D when you can fit them all in one case. Just literally getting some of those little letters to just rub on 3D on there, and then some logos to go on the spine. So again, I'd like to thank you all for watching. Keep supporting physical media, and I'll catch you in the next one.